Let's take a look at what's new in SAP Business One 10.0 Feature Package 2608 in the areas of reports, banking, and extensibility. We've added 3 powerful apps to the Reports group: General Ledger, Inventory Movement, and Purchase Analysis. Let's explore what they can do for your business. The General Ledger report provides a complete audit trail of your financial activities. It offers 2 predefined example views: General Ledger for GL accounts and General Ledger for business partners. The example view General Ledger for GL accounts summarizes all financial transactions posted to each level of GL accounts, while General Ledger for business partners focuses on all transactions posted to each customer, vendor, or both. Customize the hierarchical table to group and summarize accounting data across multiple dimensions and measures, such as business partner name, posting date, total debt, total credit, and year-to-date balance. Select a summed total. The breakdown table shows all financial transactions posted to the corresponding business partner. Go deeper into the underlying GL accounts, journal entries, and original transactions directly from the breakdown table. The Purchase Analysis report provides advanced insights into various purchasing metrics, extending beyond simple period reporting. You can run the report at 2 levels of detail: header data only, or both header and line data. Use the hierarchical table to analyze your procurement activities by organizing purchasing data across multiple dimensions and measures. For example, group all items purchased from each vendor with detailed analysis of quantities, costs, and totals over the past years and quarters. Sort vendor code in descending order. Filter for specific items. Change the levels of vendor and item code. Select a summed figure. The breakdown table shows all contributing transactions with their associated journal entries. Access source documents like AP invoices, item master data, and journal entries with a single click. The Inventory Movement report uses a similar hierarchical structure. It tracks all inventory item movements in quantity and value over time, including goods received, sold, transferred, adjusted, or returned. The predefined example report views provide a comprehensive overview with specific focuses on sales, purchasing, and warehouse activities. For example, the Sales-Driven Inventory Outflow view shows inventory movement and financial performance by customer, item, and sales employee. It tracks values, costs, quantities, and profitability metrics to help you analyze sales effectiveness and inventory flow. The breakdown table shows all contributing transactions and provides direct access to source documents like sales documents, item master data, and journal entries. Compared to their originals in the SAP Business One client, all these web client reports now offer more selectable fields for analysis and more flexible filtering conditions across document types, date ranges, business partners, and many other criteria. Explore these new reports today and gain deeper insights into your business performance. Introducing the new external reconciliation apps in the new banking group. They transform how you reconcile GL accounts and business partners. Let's start with manual bank reconciliation for quick reconciliation with a physical bank statement. Select the account, enter your bank statement details, review open transactions, and select those that match. For small differences like fees, use adjustments. When balanced, choose Reconcile. Next, the external reconciliation app offers 3 modes for bank and business partner statements. Manual is ideal for complex cases with partial reconciliations. Set your date range, select matching pairs, and reconcile. Create a balancing transaction on the spot if needed. Semi-automatic provides smart recommendations while you stay in control. Define your matching criteria, pick a transaction or statement item, and the web client suggests matches. Use Skip to Next to work through your list without leaving the dialog. Review the recommendations, select the matches, and choose Reconcile. Automatic processes large volumes in one go based on your parameters. Reconciliations complete automatically. You can review the open transactions that can't be reconciled according to your defined parameters. Finally, check your reconciliation history. Choose any line for details or cancel a reconciliation if needed. These powerful tools give you complete control and transparency over your reconciliation process. Streamline your workflow with the new external reconciliation apps. Let's take a look at the 2 webhook enhancements of the SAP Business One service layer. First, event data customization. Event data payloads use JSON format. Previously, you only worked with standard fields and key fields. Starting from FP 2608, you can add custom fields directly during event subscription. This means you no longer need to make additional service layer calls to the OData service for detailed information. For example, when you work with a sales order, you can now specify the number, card code, doc total, and other header fields in the subscription process. Now, let's take a look at the second enhancement, event conditional triggering. You can use a specific expression to define the business condition in the event conditional formula. This enables granular control over event triggering. At runtime, the expression is evaluated as a Boolean value. Here are some examples of how to define an event with a condition. The items.created event is triggered when the first 3 letters of a new item are ABC. The orders.created event is triggered for new orders that meet the following 2 conditions. The doc due date is within 7 days and the doc total is greater than 1,000. The formula works similarly to a user-defined value or UDV formula. You can also expand its use for other business scenarios. Now, let's create a sales order in the web client to trigger the orders.created event. Add a few printers so the total exceeds 1,000. Set the delivery date to 2 days from today. Choose Add and View. You'll receive a notification immediately. Open the notification to view the requested data. Setting up user-defined values, or UDVs, just got more flexible. When you configure UDVs with formulas for a customizable field, you now have 2 additional ways to control automatic refreshes of field values. The first is when events happen. Use the Events drop-down to automatically refresh field values when you add or update a business document or object. Need more control? Select When Fields Change or Events Happen. This option automatically refreshes the customized field values when other field values change, or when you add or update a document or object. In this sales order, let's set the delivery date to 1 week after the posting date. Use posting date as the trigger field. Select Add and Update from the Events drop-down. The current delivery date is 1 month after the posting date. Change the posting date from June 18 to June 22. The delivery date updates from July 18 to June 29. Next, let's open an existing sales order. The current delivery date is also 1 month later. Add a new item and update this order. The delivery date updates to 1 week after the posting date. Now create a sales order with posting date June 29. Leave the delivery date field empty. Choose Add and View. The delivery date automatically updates to 1 week afterwards. In addition to these automatic refresh options, the UDVs feature is now available across more business objects: landed costs, inventory postings, inventory opening balances, and resources. Access it through each object's detailed view or the centralized user-defined values app. More automatic refresh options, more business objects, greater control over UDVs. Thanks a lot for watching. Now it's time to try out these new features for yourself.